What's the meaning of balls up? Balls up. Balls up.
Balls up. Balls up. The phrase, balls up, is a British slang term that means a mess or a mistake. It is often used to describe a situation that has gone wrong or become chaotic, usually due to poor planning or execution. The origin of the term is unclear, but it may have originated from the game of snooker, where a balls up refers to a shot that results in a player leaving the cue ball in a difficult position. The term is used in informal contexts and is considered to be somewhat vulgar, so it's best to use it carefully and only in appropriate situations.